Welcome to our channel. If you want to link your Amazon Prime account to Twitch, follow these step-by-step instructions to enjoy free benefits. Step 1. Open a web browser and go to the Twitch website, then sign into your Twitch account using your credentials. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Connections tab to view available account linking options. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the Amazon option under Other Connections and click Connect. Step 5. You will be redirected to Amazon's website where you need to log in with your Amazon Prime account details. Step 6. Authorize the connection by clicking Allow or Confirm to link your Amazon Prime account to Twitch. Step 7. Once linked, you will gain access to Prime gaming benefits, including free monthly channel subscriptions and in-game loot. Step 8. Return to Twitch and look for the crown icon next to your profile, which indicates your Prime gaming status. You can now use your free monthly subscription on any eligible Twitch channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.